Hello, I'm Tony Bevan. Welcome to the studio. I've been in this particular studio for about 35 years, or just under, and you can actually see how it's gone through these, keep these shoes as my calendar to remind me how long I've been here in this particular space. And on the back of the door here, it's just a kind of aid to memory. There's just kind of old postcards and things that people send me or I pick up. I think this is kind of east light, I think. I'm not sure, I never checked that out, but it's pretty constant, and that's what you want in the studio. You don't want kind of bright shadows coming through. Here's some of the pigments and the paint. As you can see, sometimes I paint with brushes that all the bristles are being cut off. Painting with these, they become like almost like sticks, and so they become like the paint gets gouged into the surface of the canvas. This is the main wall that I'm painting on, and so I paint on this wall and on the floor. So I move from the vertical to the horizontal. It's a space I like a lot. Yeah, I've been here a long time, so very familiar with it. Yeah, it's a nice space for me.